Turning right. I wait for the green light, and before turning, when we get green light, I check pedestrians and bicycles and check if nobody's too late. Slow approaching, these pedestrians are coming, no bicycles. Check one more if no ambulance are coming, no pedestrians are. The cars block the visibility, so I'm suspicious about the pedestrians. Okay, no pedestrians, we can cross. Now we are planning to exit the third exit, the roundabout. First goes Tilges, the second goes Rodondroplentas, the third after the yellow house. So here we have priority, no pedestrians, but the lines tells that I must go on the left lane. So after this marking can go to the left lane. Okay, only left can go right around. And now I must change to the right before the exit. They must give us way. And because I must exit only on the right, so indication, second gear, no pedestrians, no bicycles, fit the lane, and there are cars, indication, checking nobody's overtaking, nobody in front, and then I overtake, and then I return back. At the end of the street to the right. There are no special speed limits, but I drive 40 because the road is narrow. And here we go to the right, at the end of the street, no pedestrians. Second gear, checking the cars one more time, and very narrow lanes, check one more time, and fit in the line. If we cut the line, it's a major mistake. At the end of the road, traffic lights to the right. I see the cars on the first lane. I indicate, check the cars, and then change the lane, checking, scanning, no pedestrians. And we can use the fourth gear because the road is free. Lane is free, so I change to the right lane. Traffic lights to the right. We have no arrow but green light, so I can go to the right, but checking pedestrians and cars. No cars, no pedestrians. Nice. The next traffic lights, we make a U-turn. We get to the left lane. Making U-turn, we must go a little bit deeper to have enough space for U-turning without reversing, if it is possible. And the green arrow tells that no oncoming traffic will drive. Just making U-turn, we must give way for the cars coming right from the left side. Okay, nobody in the back. They cut the edge and larger curve, no oncoming traffic, full turning, and I check the cars coming here. They has priority. Intersection to the right. right turn, green light, pedestrians and bicycles. No bicycles, no pedestrians. Second gear, fit in the lane. One more check. At the end of the street, to the right. I use first gear, slow approaching. Check once I see the car. Check the road will be free, no cars, and then I check the third exit. 1, 2, 3. No cars, no pedestrians. Fit in the lane. It's not compulsory, but I indicate the signal, and it's compulsory to indicate for the exit. No pedestrians. Choose the lower gear because if I meet a big truck or bus, I must fit in the lane, more space for oncoming traffic. And it's very steep hill. Go down the hill, up the hill, steep hills, we need lower gear, more power. And on the top we go like right, but we stay with gear 2 because after the curve we have narrow space and bad visibility. So I don't try to overtake the pit hole, I stay on the right, not to get into the opposite direction. And the next intersection to the right, here you also know. So stay maybe gear 1 because I don't know how wide it is. So no pedestrians, no bicycles. And we go to the left. So here no signs, so we check the right side. The has priority, but look everywhere. Nice. Nothing. At the end of the street, we go left. Here we have the stop sign, complete stop, give way, indication. I'm the last one because this is priority and this is the side road, but he's on the right. Full stop before the line, no cars, we can go. No pedestrians. It's our priority, but we are checking. At the end of the road to the right. Very fast and crowded road sometimes. Supermarket, so gear 1, no pedestrians, slow approaching. And that car can go straight, but he's turning, really turning. Okay, now we can go. No pedestrians. After the next pedestrian crossing, we turn left, so we stay on the left lane. Priority road, the left is side road, so we check oncoming traffic and pedestrians. And Nelatros, sometimes they're stuck in the middle of the road, so we must expect this to happen. Okay, we let the car cars go. And we have safe gap, no pedestrians, and we accelerate. We have obstacle on the first lane, so I change to the left. Okay. While checking the cars and pedestrians, we must be active because some parts of the car block the visibility. No pedestrians. Roundabout to the right. So this new roundabout has full information about the lanes. The right, perhaps we need the right lane, and really see the signs that really we need the right lane. So the indication checking, nobody is entering here, so no more cars on the right. And give way pedestrians and priority road. First gear, check, no pedestrians, no approaching, check the cars, no cars, and then we enter. And we exit, no pedestrians. Tricky pedestrian crossing because it's more wide and the pedestrians are invisible if they are approaching. But it's free, so I switch this to the fourth gear. After the pedestrian crossing, let's make a U-turn. So perhaps we must get on the left lane. Check. And we are on the left lane here. It's not allowed to turn because it goes straight. We're scanning pedestrians. So no pedestrians. Okay. And there is a special space for U-turning. We enter this special slow lane. And we are prepared to U-turn. First gear always we use approach, slow approach, and we have a good gap, nothing there, so at once we can go, and we can stay on the left, but I am planning to go right, so I got on the right lane. Out to the pedestrian crossing, we're turning right, checking pedestrians, second gear, slow down, pedestrians. After the turn, no bicycles, no pedestrians.